Your toddler feels so deeply. I'm sure you've noticed, but processing those feelings and regulating their emotions is a complex process that takes a lot of support and practice. The Toddler Emotions Mini Kit is designed to give your child their very own tools that make it fun to learn about their emotions and practice working through them. The I Feel I Can book is as helpful as it is fascinating. In the first half of the book, you see expressions and body language in different scenarios with prompts to talk about what you see. It defines the emotions shown and what they may feel like in your child's body. The second half of the book gives your child things to do when those feelings arise. They can dance or press their hands against a wall when they have big energy feelings, or count when they're feeling overwhelmed. It's a great visual tool from toddlerhood into preschool and beyond. The I Feel I Can magnet game takes the concepts from the book and turns them into ways to play. You can start by using the I Feel magnets to practice naming emotions. Next, you can introduce the I Can magnets to practice the strategies you see. Soon, your child will be ready for the Make a Plan emotion map to pair an emotion with a strategy. Learning to regulate emotions is all about practicing strategies when your child is calm, so that when big feelings do come up, they know what to do. The more they practice, the easier it will be for them in those big moments. The Calming Circle and Breathing Activities Guide work together to model the practice of taking slow, intentional belly breaths, which has been shown to decrease stress and frustration. The Breathing Activities Guide gives your child really fun ways to think about their breathing. They can place the calming circle on their belly and feel it rise and fall as they take deep breaths. This and the Toddler Routines Mini Kit give you and your child tools to find more ease and enjoyment in your time together.